Hi everyone, so we're going to be looking at this example right here on how to create a two-dimensional array or 2D array, and we're going to make it a 2 by 3 array. So you can see here we got 2 rows and then 3 columns. So we have apple, orange, banana, and then celery, carrot, potato. So let's create this array first. So we're going to make something called basket, a variable basket. So we'll do var basket is equal to, and because this is an array, we have to use the square brackets. And inside here, we are going to have to set up these values in the array. So the first row in the array is these values right here. So what I'm going to do is I can put another set of square brackets inside here. And I'm going to just add apple, orange, and banana. And after this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a comma because I want to add one more row of different items into the basket. So I'm going to add another set of square brackets here. And then I'm going to just add the values: celery, carrot, and potato. So I got the 2 rows now set up, so apple, orange, banana, and then celery, carrot, potato. So we can see here the first row is position 0, and then the second row is position 1. And we want to create, based on the value stored in the food array, console log out the following sentence using concatenation. So let's go and console log, and we're going to say something like, so I'm just going to update the sentence here. I'm going to have a sentence that says something like this. It's going to say, I like eating an apple and carrot in the morning. So I will set this up, I like eating a, and then a space afterwards because we put a space between each of the different words, and then plus. Now this is where we have to call the variable basket. And the basket here, we're going to grab the value of apple because it's at row 0, and then position 0 is apple. We're just going to have to do position 0 for row 1, and then the next position, which is apple, which is at column 0. And then we're going to add on to the sentence, and then we'll say and. Make sure there's spaces around the word and, or else it's going to be mushed together. And then we'll do another basket. And next thing we want is carrot. So this is row 1, and then we want to go to row 2, which is position 1. So basket 1, but we want to get carrot. So this is 0 and then 1. So we're going to put another set of square brackets, and we're going to say 1 right there. And then we're going to finish the rest of the sentence here, and we'll say in the morning. So just make sure you're really careful about putting spaces around the words because it matters. I'm going to save it, and I'll do node index.js. And you can see here it says, I like eating an apple and carrot in the morning. And these 2D arrays are going to be very important later on when you come across like APIs or more complex coding problems. So make sure you know how to visualize and set up a 2D array.